Hey everyone, this is Brandon, the collision manager at Hendrick here in Hoover. We're excited to show you the collision center that we're going to be moving to later this year. Come on in and let me show you what we have going on. Now that we're inside, we are in the area that our body technicians are going to be working. We have upgraded our space from 15 technician bays to now to 32 technician bays. And what we've done is we've incorporated every stage of the repair, and it's all going to be in-house under one roof. There's no longer a need to send your vehicle outside of our shop for any part of the repair process, be it calibration, four-wheel alignments, any suspension work. It's all going to be done under our roof here in-house. We have a 4-post lift here to be able to get underneath your vehicle for any kind of inspections that we cannot see as it's sitting. Make it a lot easier for us to get a full inspection and paint a bigger picture of the damages and anything that might be going on with your vehicle. One thing that really is going to set us apart is that ability to do everything that we need to repair your vehicle under one roof. With that upgraded space, we have maximized the amount of technicians and vehicles that we can fit inside of our shop, making it to where it's a much quicker repair process. We have all hands on deck. We've put our air hoses in the air, giving us a little bit more freedom to move around and get in those tough repair areas on your vehicle. Thing that we've done in here is to maximize the amount of working space that we have. So everything under one roof, being any sort of calibration that your vehicle needs to be operating the way that it is intended to, be it a radar calibration, blind spot calibration, eyesight calibrations for Subarus, any make and model that we service, we will be able to perform those calibrations on site and in-house, making it a quicker repair process. Welcome to the paint shop. With our upgraded paint shop comes 4 new global paint booths. We have 3 9-foot paint booths and 1 12-foot paint booth, which we're extremely excited about. This is going to give us the ability to refinish anything that you may have out on the road, whether you're a business or you just have a very large vehicle. It's going to give us the clearance that we need to refinish the roof, and anything that you may have out there, something that we're really looking forward to and excited about. We're sitting in my office here. Why don't you follow along and let's see where the rest of the team is going to be. All of our estimators are going to be upstairs in this nice new office area that we have. Going to have 2 estimators to an office to make sure that we are up here and ready to service any need that you may have. Of course, we're going to have a receptionist at the front to greet you when you walk in, a very, very nice customer lounge, and a marketplace in our cafeteria. So if you're hungry or want something to drink or just need a little snack, you can go in there and get anything that you'd like. For tuning in and following along to see the progress on our new collision center as we get ready to open later this year.